Okay, let's take a look at how Google Instant is handling both organic and paid search results now. We'll do a simple search here, and you'll see that as we type in, Google interprets what we're typing and actually starts presenting results to us. Now, if we just use the word shoes, we're going to see some suggestions, which Google has been doing for some time up on the top here, but also we're seeing our organic results here, the maps, of course, and then we start seeing paid sponsored listings over to the side here. And so because we are in a very broad category, let's take a look and see what happens when we start adding letters, because they're actually providing search results with each letter that we type. So if we start doing this shoes 4, you can see every letter I type is actually presenting a new result. Now, I put the word W in here. It is making some assumptions or presenting some results based on their understanding of what previous searches were looking for, and it's making suggestions to me, but this is not what I'm looking for. But you will notice that with every page we're seeing new sponsored listings here, we're seeing different organic results here to the bottom of the paid sponsored links, and also to the left or to the right we're also seeing the Google AdWords, the paid search results is also rotating and appearing. Now we know that there is a variable there as well. They do rotate. They're never static for any one keyword. But as we begin to qualify this, you will notice even more, and let me see if I can adjust this so you can see the ads even better. If I start doing this shoes for work, well, I don't even have the whole word work in. It's already making suggestions on work shoes city with paid, and at the very top of the organic we have shoes from Skechers and then safe shoes. Over to the right you'll see slip resistant shoes, etc. Now if I were to change this to work, and then I have just completed the word, now I'm going on, it wants to help me qualify further, saying shoes for work with the word woman or women behind it. So what we're seeing is that with every letter, or let's see, shoes for working, shoes for work, working, we also see a different result. Now you'll see every letter, every change of the word is displaying new organic and paid. Now what this means is that the sites that are organically optimized to appear for those phrases will tend to still appear. If you were number 1, 2, and or 3, or in the top 5 of the organic for this particular keyword phrase, chances are you are not going to lose that position. However, if you have not been in that rotation with the organic results previously, you aren't likely to suddenly appear there. If we change the phrase to shoes for working out, we see the paid results over to the right change as well. We now see organic listings a little more Web 2.0. They seem to be website content and blog and Web 2.0 or social media links more than e-commerce. Now if we go back to the W, and perhaps there we go, let's pick another category, maybe shoes for weddings. Now we're scrolling down, and again you notice that it's already interpreting the change and in real time displaying these results. Now it's streaming these results live. Google Instant is streaming the results, but again, if you were at the top of these organic listings for this particular keyword phrase prior to Google Instant, chances are you're going to sustain that position unless you do something different or your competitors do something different to take over those positions. But what we are seeing now is that as the stream of results is presented, and let's see, we'll even add another word, as we see another stream of results coming in, and this isn't a very good example because we know what we want to see is that there's also a change in the paid, which means that the rotation is even greater. And with Google when they launched Google Instant, they were talking about the average search being approximately 20 characters. If that is the equation that you want to start with, then essentially if they're presenting new results with every letter, they're multiplying the results of organic and paid by 20. So think about that from a mathematical equation or a financial budget consideration, and you have a much broader marketplace to compete in. So this is why I believe, and Karner Blue Marketing has projected that Google Instant will in fact impact paid search more than it will organic SEO, at least at this moment in time. I'm Rebecca from Karner Blue Marketing, and thanks for tuning in.